warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. So curious, so
Hey everyone, welcome back to another cleaning video. Cleaning and organizing. That's pretty much what's going to be going on today. Whew, it has been a week. So good news, the plumber came out, and basically what we need to do is re-caulk and re-silicone. Those are probably the same thing, but our bathroom, our shower tile. We showed him the pictures that we took of our snake cam and told him the problem that was going on. And he said that he is 90% sure that if we silicone recaulk our tile, because it is lifting up pretty bad, especially on the bottom, that it is definitely going to fix the leaking problem. And the leaking problem, he said, was not bad at all. It did look like from the pictures that it was completely dried out. So he wasn't concerned about anything. And we asked about mold and all of that. And he said that although he was not a professional in that area, he does not suspect that there is any mold. So, y'all, I'm just showing you guys here. We went to Sam's. We got so many things done, and I'm going to be organizing the pantry here and all the things that we got from Sam's. We did pick up these, what are they called? Containers. These were the only glass containers that they had, but all of our Pyrex bowl lids were cracking and lifting and were just completely worn out. So little by little, I was just throwing them out, and I knew that we were going to have to replace them. So we picked these glass ones up from Sam's. But anyway, back to the plumbing issue. I cannot even tell you guys how relieved I am, how we are. Like, the Lord answered this individual prayer. I'm telling you guys right now. He was telling us that, at worst case scenario, that, they would have to obviously cut holes in the ceiling, which we knew, might have been the problem. And just to do that, just to make holes in the ceiling, they would charge $150 to $300 just to make the holes. And had we had to get like a restoration company out to see if there was mold, obviously there would have been a charge for that. And then they would have charged additionally to replace the pipes. So I promise you guys, I was just thanking God. I was like, thank you for having us, dodge this bullet. You want Wawa? So he told us that after we, get the tile re-siliconed and everything, that if we did happen to see a leak, to just call them back and they would come back out and assess the problem. So these last couple of days, we just got so many things done, and it just felt so good, you guys. The HOA came out and they redid our like concrete in front of the house, and which kind of sucked because I was just like, holy patch. They like removed like a lot of the grass in the front, and we believe that they might have broke one of our sprinklers. So I was just like, man, that sucked. But we got the front and backyard hard raked. We got fertilizer put down. We trimmed and watered the grass and killed our backs. We went to Home Depot and got all the stuff to do the tile in the shower. And then we went to Sam's and got our grocery shopping done, got hygiene items, things of that nature. And then our screen door in the front, we had to replace and get that fixed. So hubby got that done. And it was a busy weekend. And I was like, I should have filmed some of this, but we were just like on the go, that it was just, I wasn't even thinking about it, but I do regret it now. Anyways, you guys, so I'm going to get these containers in just some hot soapy water, and I'm going to get those cleaned down. Not in this video, but I'm just letting these soak really well. And I'm going to get everything put up from our grocery haul. And so let's go ahead and get back into the video.
Sunshine, I've got you now. When body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love now, and you're stuck in my mind. When body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body.
Oh
body and body, oh, body and body. I know love now, and you're stuck in my mind. We're body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body. My friends don't like that I'm with somebody, that I'm with somebody, oh no, oh no. I just want to stay in this melody, stay in this melody, oh, oh.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. I'm never coming down, never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built the wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. I'm never coming down, never coming down. Cause I'm getting stronger. Cause I'm getting stronger. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never
So everything in the pantry is nice and neat and things are put away, and I'm definitely happy with that. I just want to say thank you guys so much for being here. I think I'm going to be doing kind of like a mini bathroom makeover in the spare bathroom upstairs, so definitely stay tuned for that. And the fridge is looking nice and neat. I do need to separate this beef, so I'll probably be making some tacos or burritos tonight because I do have to use up the tortillas. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will definitely see you guys soon. Bye.